Welcome to a new day of growth, healing, and alignment with your highest self. Today we step into the light of the Fool, a card of infinite potential, new beginnings, and fearless exploration. This is the first step of your path, uncharted and full of possibility. Allow your breath to deepen, allow your mind to soften, allow yourself to feel the excitement of starting anew. Imagine standing at the edge of a cliff, a soft breeze brushing your face. A small bag rests on your shoulder, light, carrying only what you truly need. Below, the world stretches endlessly, full of opportunities. The Fool gazes ahead, not afraid, not yet burdened by fear or doubt. He represents your soul's willingness to trust the journey. Today, you are invited to embrace this same courage. The Fool represents new beginnings, freedom, innocence and curiosity, adventure, trusting the universe, infinite potential. This is the energy of limitless possibility. No past mistakes define you today. No fear can hold you back. The Fool reminds you every journey begins with a single step. There is a path in your life you've been hesitating to take. It may feel uncertain, it may feel risky. The Fool appears to say, step forward anyway. Trust the journey, the universe will catch you. Your innocence is your superpower. Your curiosity is your guide. Your willingness to leap opens doors you cannot yet see. Close your eyes. Imagine yourself stepping off the cliff into a soft cloud of light. Feel the thrill, the fear, the excitement, all blending into one vibrant energy. See the world open before you. Every step forward ignites new opportunities. Whisper softly, I trust the journey. I welcome the unknown. I am ready. Today, your practice is taking the first step. Identify one new opportunity or idea. Take a small, tangible action toward it. Embrace the feeling of starting without knowing the outcome. Momentum comes from courage, not certainty. Repeat with intention. I step boldly into new beginnings. I trust the universe to guide me. I am open to infinite possibilities. The Fool walks with you today. He reminds you that life is an adventure, and every great journey begins with a single step. Join us again, and one of the Omniscient family will be here to guide you as we enter the realm of the magician, where your potential transforms into power and action.